Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a Victorinox tanker. And this one is the small 84mm tanker versus the larger 91mm tanker. Now, inexplicably, someone wrote Joe on the front of my box. I don't know exactly who did that or why, but this is the Tinker Small Red, as you can probably tell from the little label on it. Like so. Well, let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so we got the usual Victorinox stuff, and then the knife itself. Now, if you're curious, I also grabbed a normal tinker, the 91mm tinker, so we can directly compare. So, comparison-wise, you get these lined up so you can see on camera. There is a difference. I mean, obviously there's a difference. There's a difference of 7mm. But I can tell you that just handling these, this one feels much more pocket knife-like, if that makes any kind of sense. So let's compare. Alright, so you have the 91mm knife blade versus the 84, and you can see there's a little bit of difference there. It's not a huge difference, but it is. I mean, it's different. So you got the knife blade, and then you're looking at the small blade. And I'm curious about this. I'm thinking the small blades will actually be different sizes. Those look like different sizes, y'all. They look super close. But yeah, the 91mm does have a little bit larger blade. So you got that. And then we'll compare the... Have you noticed something? Actually, no, I guess not. I was thinking these are backwards, but they're not. So again, it's a teeny bit smaller. And this is the usual flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, and wire stripper. That's one difference. Alright, so the 91mm tinker has the two stops there. So, do we have the two stops on this one? No. Alright, so this doesn't have the little stop point when you open it. And then for the can opener, neither one had a stopping point there. And again, the can opener is a teeny bit thinner and a little bit shorter, just a hair. Now the back tools, you have the awl and the awl. I'm going to line these up so we can tell if they're the same size. The awls almost look like they're the same size. No, it looks like it's I think it's just a hair shorter. Looks really close though. Alright, I gotta check that. Alright. So this one is 1 and what is that? 1 and almost 3/8. And to compare, 1 and yeah, okay. I think they're the same size. Yeah, they're the same size, looks like. That's kind of interesting. It's a little surprising. And then we also have the Phillips head screwdrivers. Now the Phillips head screwdrivers also look like they're the same size. Just kind of weird. But yeah, they look like they're the same size. That's interesting. And then you have the toothpick and tweezers, just like on the other one. So here's a big question. Are the scale tools the same size? The answer would be a resounding yes. They are the same size. Alright. I never actually thought to check this, but that's kind of interesting. So, the two back scale tools seem to be the same size, but the front tools are different. That's interesting. Anyway, if you're looking for a tinker, but you want a slightly more petite tinker, this is definitely an option, and they're really quite affordable. This runs about 20 bucks. I'll include a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. And I'll also include the Swiss Army Knife wiki page that talks about it. You save a little bit. Like, this one is, the small one, the small one is 53 grams versus about 60 grams. And so, it's, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference in weight. I don't know. It's good to have options, though, and if you're looking for a smaller tinker, this is an option, and they're in production. They make them, they're easily available. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.